I am so excited. Rita is getting ready to teach her class. They are setting up. It's looking so pretty. It's a soldering class, and this is the project. Look at this. All the students are lining up outside. We're getting ready. Are you excited, Rita?
Very excited.
Yay, it's a beautiful day. Hopefully not too hot. And we are ready. And we have some new merchandise in the store. We've got these totally awesome camo corduroy overalls for fall. I'm excited. Opening up.
Step, not necessarily to be sold.
Mara's here.
32. Oh my goodness, hi.
We've got these cute new dresses right here. We've got some new shorts because shorts never go out of style in Southern California. This was sent to me as a gift, and she's the perfect display for our new scarves.
Okay, yeah, I will not have a problem with that.
And we've got some winter fall wraps. So soft, it's just like a blanket. Super soft. There they are. Zebra shorts. Cute flannel with ruffles. So I thought I would show you what I'm doing. The store is closed. It's been pretty hectic because we need to hire a couple more people and my life has been crazy. And this poor customer has come in 3 times asking if their piece is done. Mara painted most of this. My dad cut the tile. Mara stenciled the top. And all we need to do is grout in between the wood tiles, but I don't want to get grout all over the wood. I tried something called DAP. That was not working. So now I'm trying the IOD paper clay, and I just squish some in between there, and I don't know if I should do the whole thing and then come back tomorrow and see what it looks like. But basically I'm rolling it into little snakes and pressing it in. So I've got it pretty much wiped back, and I'm gonna continue on and do this while the store is quiet, and hopefully it will work when I pull up the tape tomorrow. We shall see.
Sadly, Debbie's idea did not work. The tiles warped and the clay dried all cracked. But that's part of the process, and things like this happen. So here's a new idea. Let's try planks. We had to throw away our original first hard work, but it's gonna be okay.
Dad, is this gonna fix it?
Here we go again, huh?
Yep.
How do you want them staggered? I mean, I'm gonna take this one. I was gonna like cut it off maybe here.
Top, like to make it flat?
What?
Is he gonna sand the top?
I think so.
What is
He said he was.
Reach out my hands to the heavens, let go so I can hold the blessing. You've been better than I've been to myself.
Okay, so my dad has the new plank top down on the buffet, and I am going to stain it with Dark and Decrepit. It is right here. Dark and Decrepit is like a water-based stain, and it goes on really dark, so I always have my turquoise iris water bottle handy so that I can spray it with water as soon as I wipe it on, and then I have the cotton rag that I have right by my side at all times so I can wipe it back because I want the wood grain to show. I've got my blending brush, and I've got my rag, and I've got my stain, and I am going to stain and wipe it back, stain and wipe it back so that the wood grain will show through, and then I'm going to stencil the top, and hopefully the customer will be happy with it. So this is great. This is perfect for raw wood. It dries really fast, so you just want to just work really quickly and not apply too much. This is working out well. You can still see plenty of the wood grain, and it's got a nice dark look. So I don't even know that I'll have to wipe back that much of it. I'm just gonna spray it with some water a little bit and get it to move across the surface. It's a great product, especially for raw wood. You can use it other ways as well. Dad, what do you think of that thing? Did you know that people made paintbrushes from all over the world and they sent them to me, and this is a gift from the people who watch me on the internet? Like, all of these brushes are made from different people.
What?
And Lolly's husband made the chandelier, and everybody sent brushes to her, and then they sent it to Danielle and I as a gift. See, that one looks like me. See that one right there?
Okay, is that good?
Yeah. So now we need to add all the other brushes, but my dad hung it in the classroom, you guys. It looks so awesome. It's up, finally. It's up.
Huh?
What are you gonna do next?
Well, let me see. I guess go to Home Depot and put air in your tires. And
My tire's low on air. He's got to go to Home Depot and get our mailbox lock fixed and hang a mirror. All right. Well, thank you, Dad. I love it. Thing to do, and I'm holding my phone while I talk, my apologies, is to put the Mexican tile stencil on the planks. So it'll be similar to the original design, but different. Hopefully the customer who purchased it will still like it and like it even more. So I just have to stencil, before the store opens this morning, this entire top of the buffet. I have an hour to do it, and I hope I can get it done in time. I hope they still like it. If they don't like it, then I am just gonna refund their money and put it back on the floor for sale. But sometimes this is the way things go, and lessons are learned. So we'll see how this goes. So I don't know if you can see it, but the first two stencils went on great, and the third one wasn't aligned. The good thing about DIY paint is it's water activated, so I think I can just rub it off, especially because the paint is barely even dry. So hopefully I can rub it off and do it over again. Boy, this has been a challenging piece. Things don't usually go this wrong. Yeah, it's coming off. I'm just gonna scrub it. I'm gonna spray it and scrub it and do it again. Ugh. I don't know why I've been having a lot of things go wrong lately. It's just been one of those, I don't even say one of those days. It's been so far this week, and we're only on Tuesday. But you can see, you can erase it if you haven't put a sealer on it.
Alright, here is the final product, and it turned out so cool. I think the dark and decrepit liquid patina gave it a really nice stain. And our mistakes turned out awesome. Here it is.